So, do you think you're missing something on this view when you watch the UsandMore channel? Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I thought I'd start out the video with that view. Missed the credits going up the screen, don't you? But anyway, good morning from our aft balcony. And God, I love waking up to that. See, you thought we started the show and then we were ending the show. Weird, huh? But man, that view never gets old. So it's a little muggy this morning. Couple of ships out there. Looks like Cuba to the left. Over this way. Interesting. Beautiful morning. So, anyway, the lighting sucks, but oh well. That view is just awesome. So, like I said, we just got up and get the day rolling and got a ship tour to do. So make sure you watch that of the Carnival Conquest. Other than that, I think that's it for now. So good morning, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so Heather's in the shower. I snuck out. I don't think she noticed. So I'm gonna go try to get some coffee since she got me coffee yesterday. Hopefully I know where it is. Wish me luck, guys. Just gotta get her some coffee. So she got her coffee, and you didn't even know I left.
I thought you were on the back porch because I was talking to you and you weren't there. And then Penny came from the back porch. I'm like, he's outside. As I was about to walk out, he walks in.
With coffee. Good day to good start to the day?
Yes.
Good day to the start?
Sure.
Alright guys, she's happy. Happy wife, happy life. Talk to y'all later. Alright guys, how was breakfast? Quickly, we got music. It was good? Alright, breakfast was good. Alright guys, because of the music, we gotta go. Coffee good? Alright, coffee's good. Coffee was good. Alright. Talk to y'all later. Alright, ship tour's done. You got ice in your mouth. So ship tour is done, and we're just chilling with a drink right now. Nothing special, just starring.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's just really weird that they got rid of Sierra Mist and now they got Starry. Whatever. So yeah, that's what we're drinking and chilling. She got more ducks.
Okay, so I have two. So I got Lauren another set. Who matched me. Then I went to the claw machine. Evan's dragon. The sailor with the blue thing. And he's got a skeleton.
I like that one.
Little tiger pajama thingy.
Secret agent duck.
He's hard though.
Yeah, he's like plastic. Know what's going on with that?
A detective or something?
Yeah.
From Calgary. And then one I have to hide.
Alright guys, we're going to enjoy our story and Penny's enjoying her very, very small ledge. She thinks she's a small dog, I guess. I don't know. Well, I was on a ship tour and Heather was watching her, so she's like probably like not going to leave my side the rest of the day now.
Yeah.
Alright guys, catch y'all in a bit. Guys, just been chilling for the most part this afternoon, this evening, and now I was chilling with my dad upstairs, and now I'm gonna go chill with Penny on the back porch, or on the deck, because I know that's what she's wanted to do all day. But I know she was doing it earlier with Heather, but she wants her daddy, I'm sure. So we'll see you out on the balcony. It just doesn't get any better than this, y'all. I mean, this is awesome. I really love it. There's a mini Titanic over there. Looks like it, but it's not. It's like a freighter of some sort. But anyway, so yeah, back to the room now. Back on the balcony. And again, look who's with me. Hi. Hi. I see you. You're so pretty. So yeah, good times. Just a chill day today. That's all I want to do, you know. Chill and relax. Only major thing I had to do was the ship tour, and that's taken care of already. And now it's just hanging out on a cruise ship with nothing to do. That's life. Alright guys, catch y'all in a bit. So, what do you think of the aft balcony?
My favorite.
Your favorites?
Mm-hmm.
Like, favorite?
Yeah.
Favorite?
Yeah.
What about the cove balcony?
That's a good second. I mean, how can you not enjoy this? Like, this is what we get. All of this.
All day. She stole the camera from me, guys.
Yeah.
So,
Peaceful.
it is peaceful. And I can tell you right now, Penny loves it out
Oh my
here.
God, we spent most of the afternoon out here because he promised her
I did.
we would come back out here, and she'll sit by the door. She was waiting for it.
Every time we'd move, she'd think we were going back to the room before we even got back to the room. And then when we got back to the room, she ran to the door to get out on the balcony.
She's one happy dog. And this one right here, having to wear her medal.
Yeah.
Her necklace.
That's right there. Didn't you try to take it off of her?
I did. And she acted like I was removing her collar. Like she was not happy about it and very upset.
Yeah.
So I put it back on her. If I tried to grab it, just to like show like it was bad, I would show she like kind of went like this, like tell me to put it down, and then she was looking at like that's mine, don't touch it.
She won it by being a cute dog. Alright guys, just had to ask her if she actually liked the balcony or not. Talk to y'all in a bit. Real quick y'all, check out the sun rays coming out from the cloud over there. Thought that was pretty cool. Zoom in a little bit better. Yeah, you can see it. It's pretty cool. Yep, just wanted to show you that. And we're still looking at this. Alright, catch y'all in a bit. So we haven't got a lot of the food this trip, but this night for dinner, we got Pizza Pirate. Heather likes a little bit more burnt, so that's hers, this one's mine. And she went to look and see what's on the buffet, so yeah. If I remember, I'll show you what she gets. Alright guys, catch y'all. Okay, so we already know you got pizza. What else you get?
Shrimp. Fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp?
That's all I wanted.
Alright, let us know if the shrimp is any good. Is it? Okay. So, the shrimp is good, the pizza's good. I think we're ready to eat. Alright guys, we'll catch y'all in a bit. Sup everybody? Sup everybody? Somebody's already in bed.
Somebody's really tired she didn't sleep.
Huh?
Somebody's really tired she hasn't slept.
Okay. So, I guess that's our day. Hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Our what?
Orangutan monkey thing?
Oh, I did not. It's pretty cool. We got that this afternoon. Alright, so we had fun today. I did. Did you? Okay. Tired. Sleep is for the weak.
Yeah, all week I haven't slept, so.
Okay. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get all of our latest greatest uploads and live shows. Give this video a big thumbs up, that'd be most appreciated.
Write an awesome comment. We'll try to write you back.
That's right. Write a comment. Try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Sometimes, I almost said sometimes Facebook. Sometimes YouTube doesn't give us our notifications that somebody wrote us, so we try. So blame that on YouTube. Alright, also you can follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, at UsandMoreYT, and our Facebook group page, the Us and More Extended Family, which is, I haven't asked you all week. What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Facebook.com/UsandMoreYT.
Nope.
See, I don't know.
/groups.
/groups. /UsandMoreYT.
Yes. When are you gonna learn that?
I don't know.
Alright, so yeah, make sure you do that. And that's it. Tomorrow we disembark the Carnival Conquest. Big thumbs down from Heather. Have you finished packing?
Almost.
Almost?
Yeah, I just gotta put the dog bowls away and like...
Everything else?
No.
Okay.
Look, that bag's done.
Okay.
That bag's almost done. I left it open because I got my ducks I got put in there.
Okay.
Dog bowls.
She says we're almost packed. Alright guys, that's it. This is Us and More.
I was trying to remember.
Really?
Yes.
You couldn't remember that?
I was tired. I am tired. This is Us and More, and we are living life to the fullest.
Living life to the fullest.
Bye, guys.
And sleeping to the fullest. Bye,
Yeah.
guys. See you tomorrow. It's disembarkation day.
Yay.
Bye.